Yebo. Hayi njalo aji uMasichi. Yeah, bo. There are things that we talk about, there are things that we don't talk about. There are things that we shy away from because kuyinto ekumele ngabe ufundiswa bakini. Uyohlezi ukizwa ngithi mina ngiyena wakini. I'm telling you the truth. Ngiyena wakini angisoze kuba wakini futhi angifuni ukuba wakini, angifuni angithandi. Simple. There's a reason why kumele uziqhatshe ukuthi wena uphumaphi. There's something called umtsinsi wokuyimilela, umsuka wakho, okuwumama nobaba wakho. Umtsinsi wokuyimilela. You are nothing ngaphandle kwamama nobaba wakho. You are the seed. Ungumtsinsi wokuyimilela. Right. I've always told you, I've guided you. There's two ways. It's either in wedlock or out of wedlock. Straight talk. Right? So regardless of how you were born, let's look at something else, which is called grooming. Grooming. In English, we call it grooming. NgesiZulu sithi ukulungiselelwa. Ingane yakhuliswa. Mayikhuliswa lengane. Ebese ilungiselelwa ikusasa ukuthi kusasa mele ikwazi ukuthi iphathe isimo sekhaya. Ngemithetho ebanzi. Imithetho ebekiwe ekuyimithetho yekhaya. Ekuyimithetho emele ilandelele ngokosiko lekhaya. Okuyimithetho ebekiwe abantu abake baphila ngaphambilini kwayo nabaphila kwayimanje abangaphambili kwayo ngekweminyaka ngokwenyama. Nabanye abaphila ngaphambili kwayo abangenhla kwayo ngokomoya. Right. Meaning we understand there is a way to life, gradually getting you to wherever you are going. And bese kuba indlela futhi yakho esimo sani kamoya ebhekene nawe, hayi umfowenu, hayi udade wenu, hayi umngani wakho, hayi lo yamkhulu ongamazi omukhalela emandla akhe angawusoze wawathola. Wena you need to understand ukuthi isimo sakho sisimo esikanjani. You'll always hear me talking about spiritual maturity. Ngobani? Kwinto yakho nento yakini ebhekene nawe kumele kuhambe ufike kwisigaba la wena usukwazi ukuthi uzibambele ngeyakhe indlela. You need to reach a stage where you don't need help from anyone, and uwe nabakini nibhekene ngqo. Once usufike kuleyo ndawo, iyona ndawo la wena ozobe usuzazi wena ukuthi uyisimo esikanjani. You will complete who you really are. Guess what? Awumdingi umuntu wangaphandle mase kunjalo. Ingakho into yangaphandle yakweminye imizi angeke izilawulwe wena. Nawe awusoze walawula enye into yakomunye umuzi. Ngoba khona izingane zakhona ezingumtsinsi wokuyimilela. You need to understand the grooming of who you become. Whether you become whatever the hell you become, or whether you become the greatest example of abantu bagina bake baba khona. Kulele kwena. That is the reason why abanye namhlanje balele bahleli nezigwebo. Abanye sebaphila bafa bayabuya bazohlupha izingane ngoba balele ngaphezulu kwezigwebo ngenxa yokuthi bagcine befuna izinto zabanye abantu, bahamba befuna izinto zakweminye imizi, bethuka amathongo wabo.